What's up, everybody? I thought we'd do a little video on the Forex market today from the 12-hour chart, 8-hour chart, and 4-hour chart. We go over some posts from yesterday and the updates, and then we'll do the rest of the pairs. These three updates on Instagram yesterday. We got the EURJPY, hopefully breaking down on the 4-hour chart there and the daily. We got the EURCHF breaking down on the daily and the daily correction on the dollar pairs on the right there. So I'm going to be posting here on Instagram a lot more. So follow here. It's a good home base, and YouTube too, but Instagram, I want to start getting into the pictures more on Instagram along with the reels. So let's look at the charts. The 4-hour and 8-hour candles just closed. It's Tuesday morning, about 9:15. So we got the euro US dollar, and we're in this flag right here down to the 8-hour. I'd rather be looking for sells than buys here. It could change, but based on the way these candles look, this is a nice flag. It's not too steep like this, even though this worked out. So we'll see. Pound USD, 12-hour. So nothing here right now. 8-hour. We're going to go over some scenarios on this pair because I think it's pretty cool. So you have a little bit of a down move here on the 8-hour, 4-hour. Here's what I'm looking at on this pair. So this could be a WXY pattern starting. Here's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you could get another 1, 2, 3. That's just one scenario. You also have this scenario where this could be a flat right here. And then this pattern could be over and we're going up to break the top. I don't see anything right here on the higher time frames. Aussie, got a 12-hour bullish engulfing candle here after this little indecision candle. We'll see what happens. It's pulling back a little right now. There's the 8-hour. It can still just break down and make a new low. We'll see what happens. Kind of be looking for buys here, at least on the 4-hour. Plus you got the engulfing on the 12-hour. NZD USD, same deal, except this actually broke the top last week. So you've come down, now you've got the bullish engulfing on the 12-hour. Nothing here right now. USD CAD. These trades here that are open are on a demo account. I'm testing 3-way hedging. I think the Aussie, the pound, and the pound Aussie, and then the Euro CAD, and the USD CAD. So if this works out in a long-term way, I'll make a video series on this in the future. So you got the 12-hour engulfing candle on the USD CAD here, same as the Aussie. 8-hour, 4-hour. If this tiny little flag breaks down, you might have a trade to the downside. USDJPY, this is one of the pairs from yesterday. We'll look at it on the daily too. So you got this big correction here. I'm hoping that these daily corrections break down and make a new low. But as I said in the video yesterday, this can be a bigger correction coming up to this level or higher, or it can also break the top. This could be a move to the top. We just don't know yet. 12 hour, you got the same engulfing candle on other dollar pairs. 8 hour, looks like a nice little flag forming for upside right here. We'll see what happens. Nothing here yet. USD Swiss. This is another update from yesterday. Got that same daily move. Working on a daily engulfing candle. 8 hour. And the 4 hour. I believe this is still above the 4 hour EMA, the 25. So it still could make a new high here. Nothing here yet, either way. Aussie CAD. A 1, 2, 3 move. Looks like a little flag here. It looks like it'll continue. 8 hour. See if it breaks down. 4 hour, same deal. USDJPY, we have this move down and then this flat correction. What I'm hoping is this breaks down and makes a new low. 8 hour. Got some selling pressure here, a couple wicks. Nothing here yet. If it breaks down below here, I would start looking for sells, maybe on the lower time frames. Aussie Chief, Aussie Swiss, 12 hour, breaking down. Nice 4 hour engulfing candle to the downside, breaking this flag. It's not the greatest trade, especially this week being Thanksgiving, but we'll see. Aussie NZD, we're at the bottom of this flag, or this wave. 8 hour. 4 hour. Nothing here. Euro Aussie on the 12 hour. This got a move down and a move back up. It didn't break the top. So this could be the first move, wave 2, and then a move to the downside, where you'd have this as a flat correction. Or 1, 2, 3, more upside to this level or even higher. If you do have a move to the upside here, to this area, you can still break down, and this could still be a flat correction. Just remember that. 8 hour. Got this set up here. No buys or sells right now, either way. You would have to break this to the upside or break down to the downside here. EURCHF, messy. 8 hours breaking down. Maybe you'll get a short move to the downside. We'll see. The 4 hours broken this, but check it out on the 1 hour. Messy. I don't like these messy pairs. EURJPY, another pair from yesterday. Here's that corrective move on the daily and 4 hour that we were talking about. Here's the 4 hour. Hasn't broken down yet, although we broke this trend line. No, we didn't. You've got that, I was going to say engulfing candle here, bearish, but I'm not sure if that's an engulfing candle. It's close. But we'll wait till this breaks down here and see what happens on the 1 hour probably. Here's a daily view. Euro Swiss, another pair from yesterday that's breaking down. What we said yesterday is if it breaks down from this area, it can make a new low here. But if it gets to this area, it can also make a new low on the daily chart here. If it broke up from here, it can make a new high, but it can also come way up here. We're in a nice weekly wave to the downside. So we're going to see what happens here. I'd like to see if I was going to sell this, I would wait for a 1 hour correction. Nice 1 hour correction like this. And see if I could get a trade to the downside. Euro NZD, the bottom of this wave. 8 hour, 4 hour, nothing here. Swiss JPY, looks like we're moving up. We got this impulse, correction, 8 hour. If you could get an 8 hour or 4 hour flag here, try to take it up. Here it is right here. You already missed it. Corrects on the 1 hour back down to this area and test this area. Be a good trade on the 1 hour. CAD Chief, CAD Swiss. Looks like it's making a flag here for downside. 8 hour, 4 hour. Don't get trapped. This could be a 1, 2, 3. CAD JPY, 12 hour. Same deal. NZDJPY, we'll quickly go through these pairs. This is a nice move down. It breaks this structure level here. It breaks this trend line, it looks like. Hasn't broken the top. I would love to see this come down to this area, make a flat, or just keep going. Let's look at it on a daily chart. There it is. It's broken this level. It's broken the trend line here. Watch this pair. Even if it breaks the top, you could still come back down, make a flat, or move to the downside more. 12 hour, 8 hour, nothing here yet. It's making a little bit of a bearish candle here. 4 hour, nothing here. NZD CAD, 12 hour, right here. Looks like it's moving to the upside. You got a little flag here, and you got a bullish engulfing candle. 8 hour. Nothing here yet. I would want this to break up. Still make this move here before going up, or it could come down. Just don't get trapped. NZD Swiss made a new high, rejected. Nice engulfing candle forming. 8 hour chart. Nothing here right now, although you have this nice pin bar, kangaroo tail, whatever you want to call it. This could break down. 4 hour. Nice engulfing candle. There you go. Hasn't broken this trend line or anything. Hasn't broken structure, but if you like price action candle formations, there you go. I'm not telling you to take a trade. Just do what you need to do. Pound Aussie. Moving up. 8 hour. 4 hour. Not the greatest trade on the 4 hour. See what happens. This could be a flat for more downside. If it breaks out, correction. We'll see. Nothing here yet, either way. Pound CAD, 12-hour. Here at the top of this wave. Let's come down a little, move back up. 4-hour. Looks like it's moving to the upside here. Might get a trade to break this top. Pound JPY. Could have a flat correction here. More downside. Or break this. Correct. More upside. Break the top or come close. We'll see. I'm going to be looking for downside on this pair. I'm not really interested on upside here. 8-hour. Nothing here. Got a 4-hour. It's not the greatest engulfing candle. You got these wicks on both sides. We'll see what happens if it breaks this. See if it goes for a new high here. Might get a short trade to the upside. I'm not going to take it. Pound chief. Got some resistance here. See if it makes a move to the downside. 8-hour. Could also be a flag for the upside. 1, 2, 3. We'll see what happens. Upside, downside. Pound NZD. Daily. 12-hour. Kind of sideways move here. Maybe it's a flag for downside. 8-hour. Nothing here. Be careful this week trading. A lot of things are just going sideways. I'd stick to the majors if I were you. They had that nice correction. So that's about it for Forex. Here's the DXY. Daily. You got that nice correction on all the dollar pairs. 12-hour. 8-hour. Looks like a nice flag for upside for right now, but you don't know what's going to happen later today. 4-hour. We'll see what happens. Got that same move on the USD. So that's it for now. I'm going to try to do another video tonight on kind of zoomed out waves. I like looking at zoomed out waves, not just the price action and the candles, but for example, go to the 5-minute chart and I'm going to zoom out. You get to see the structure, you get to see the waves. Maybe we'll look for a video on this tonight. For example, you have this move. You do have this move to the downside, correction, and now it looks like we're breaking down, but you haven't broken the trend line and you haven't broken the structure level here. Up here, same deal. You had this move down, correction, downside, you broke this structure level, had another correction, then downside. Maybe we'll look at the pairs in this view tonight. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.